Hi, I'm Valentina, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Micro Release Nut. The Micro Release Nut is a shape memory alloy release mechanism. It is completely redundant, has two shape memory alloy inside and two redundant actuation lines. It is the bigger version or bigger brother of the Nano Release Nut. The Micro Release Nut is highly resettable, allowing you to test your payload as you fly and fly as you test. What we need in this case is a power supply with 4 amps, as well as a preload, which in your case could easily be the solar panels or whatever you're preloading and holding with this release nut. And then you simply connect one of the electric line. Let's go ahead and power the device. In order to reset, you would first of all take your nut back and set it back in the device. You take your reset device, you set it in 2 of the 4 holes. In the other 2, you will have your device set into your payload and mounted into your payload, and you screw it in until you hear a click. After a minute, you screw back your reset device. And you're set to go.